guys! What's up? What's up? How are you, Mommy Rhea?
Good.
How are you, Maya? Hey! I see Thomas and Friends minis. Wow! Can you open the case, Mommy?
Okay. There.
Cool! What is that sound? Or music? Where's the music coming from? What's that, Maya? An arcade candy machine? Wow! That's nice! Is it fun, Maya? Yeah? I see a lot of candies! Oh yeah! Thomas and Friends minis! Hurry up! There's a time limit! Quack, 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 quack.
This is my turn.
Hey, I see a cow. A swing tractor. Nice. Are we going to unbox it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? Right now?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, 1, 2, cheese. All right, so pretty. Yeah. All right. A farm tractor truck. Amused farm swing tractor. For ages 3 and up. Can I see the box up close, Mommy?
Take this up.
Pick it up, please.
Take it.
Okay. The bottom part?
Wee.
Okay, 3 AA batteries. The side? Nice. Removable head doll. Okay. The doll goes left and right. Nice. The eyes turn. Cool. Oh, and the body will swing around. Okay. Okay, the back again. Okay, and the front. Huh? What happened to the cow? Okay, unboxing time.
Yeah, my cow.
The cow.
He got this thing to put the milk out.
Oh.
Daddy.
Oh.
The cow got this thing for the milk to come out.
Where? Show me.
He got this thing for the milk to
Yeah.
come out.
Maya, how does the cow sound?
Move.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah, I can run.
Okay, time to put the batteries.
Yeah.
Silly girl, Maya.
Yeah.
Maya, Mommy has a plan to go to the mall today. You wanna come with her?
Yeah.
Yeah? You wanna go to the mall? Okay.
Oh, there's one more jump. Yeah.
Are you going to play at the playground in the mall?
Yeah, that's not bad. That's bad.
They have a nice playground, huh, Maya? In the mall? Oh! Okay, Mami Rhea.
Open this. Open this.
Hey.
Nice. Nice lights and music. Nice music. Hey, Mommy Rhea. Get it, Maya. There you go. So cute. The farm truck is dancing. See? They are dancing. Cute. Cute. The dancing farm truck. Oh yeah. The cow, the cow. Can I see it up close, Mommy Rhea? Can I see the front? The flying cow. The side, Rhea, the other side. The bottom part. The front again. Now the top, the top. Now can you move the head of the doll? You can? Oh, okay. Cute. Maya girl, getting crazy again. A dancing bump and go farm truck. Oh yeah. A tractor truck.
Oh yeah, it's fine, it's fine. Yeah. Whoa.
A spinning cow. Spinning cow. There's the cow. You like it, Maya? Okay, put it down, Mommy. I'm going to sign off now. Alright, kids, there you have it. I'm going to sign off now. Mommy Rhea, Maya and I are going to see you on the next video. Bye, Maya. Alright, I'm signing off. Babu. Ciao.
Yay!